Oh, again, happy Vlogmas because it's a new vlog. Happy Vlogmas. Actually, I'm going to start a new vlog tomorrow. Well, no, well, this will be the Vlogmas for whatever day it is going to be for the baby shower. So, yeah, happy Vlogmas. Vlogmas. Say happy Vlogmas. Vlogmas.
Happy Vlogmas.
I'm currently feathering my hair. I did Nevaeh's hair. And, yeah, I will get back. I didn't feather on this part. I just pulled it out. So, yeah, we have the baby shower. I'm trying to hurry because I have to do my makeup. I have to get dressed, get my skating dress. And I just finished Nevaeh's hair. So, I'll talk to you guys when I'm doing my makeup. All right, there goes Pooh. There goes Sleepyhead. There goes Santa. No one else is just Santa. But I'm looking real glowy. We're going to the baby shower.
Stop doing that. What are you doing?
Me and Nevaeh just did a quick glam. Nevaeh helped me. Right? And we got that Fenty glow on. And I got Kylie on my lips.
Perfection.
I don't know why I think
And I hate when you tell me that. You like, that's nice. Aiden knocked out. You guys blanket on him?
Oh, damn. He slept already? That's crazy.
And it's flexing, see the checkbook, it's really messed up. Like some movie, you an extra, but it went the extras. Steady.
For the vlog. I gotta do
What am I
Vlogmas.
supposed to say?
I don't know.
I mean, we over here. The Riley baby shower. Oh, shit. What? Oh. Oh, yeah. Got him. Took your shit.
You see me, I just keep being quiet. I'm like, People talk to me, I'm like,
Just a quick announcement. Let's face the crowd. Are you guys ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, you supposed to be
You guys can do it. My son can drink faster than this. You can put it down. Come on. Oh, you done? Oh, you're the winner. All right,
Me and Nevaeh is in the restroom. Twinning it up. Step takes care of offense of the day. Okay. It's cute in there. Let's go.
shoot over them.
Be quiet.
I enjoyed it. I enjoyed getting dressed and going out. I did get a compliment on my makeup, and I was like, oh, that made me feel a little bit like good about my makeup. I thought we looked really cute. What? I wish I wish I would have ate more because I'm hungry.
Exactly. I should have took advantage.
Aiden's hungry. Aiden hasn't eaten anything today.
He hasn't. Honestly, he didn't even want to eat anything.
No, I don't.
All he ate was some grapes and that cheese.
We just got home not too long ago. I don't know how this lighting or anything looks for you guys. Ooh. Just let me know. I already took my ugly Christmas sweater off. I'm about to wrap my hair and call it a day. It's a little frizzy. But I'm not too worried about it being frizzy because I'm wearing it in a ponytail on Monday. And it's going to be curly. So I'm not really tripping. I put this to try to keep my scarf down. And then pop the red. All red, gang, gang, gang. Because you know, that's my favorite color. And these are the two bonnets I didn't wear. But I'm about to, y'all, best part. My eyes are a little red. But this was my makeup look. I'm tired. Best part. Oh, that feels like heaven on earth. Oh, heaven on earth. My lashes is hard because I got glue on them. But stick these bad boys right here. Makeup light. Baby shower was cool, like we said. I'm like tired. I have foundation on and everything, so I'm removing full face. Makeup's off, skin. Zima looking bad. About to use a pad real quick. Not so much came off. So I love y'all. About to go to sleep.